Hello and welcome to TaxTron Web tutorial video series. Today, we are diving into the world of T3 returns and exploring how to prepare one using TaxTron Web software. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is a T3 return? A T3 return is the tax filing for trusts in Canada. It is used to report the income earned, deductions claimed, and taxes owed by the trust during a specific tax year. You have to file a T3 return if income from the trust property is subject to tax, and in the year the trust has tax payable, is requested to file, is a resident in Canada and has disposed of a capital property or has a taxable capital gain, is a non-resident with taxable Canadian property or gains. For more detailed information about filing a T3 return, you can visit the CRA website. A link in the video description below is attached. Let's dive into TaxTron's web interface. At first, log in and click on T3 Clients to create your first T3 client. This page is called Trust Information. Here, you will need to input the trust account number or acquire one through the Represent a Client button. Fill in the trustee information and click Update. Next, click on New Return and input the start and end dates. For this demonstration, let's consider Alberta as the province and click Create. You will land on the Trust Identification page. Some details like the trust's name, taxation year dates, and account number will autofill from Trust Information page. It's essential to keep in mind that the deadline to file your T3 trust income tax and information return is typically 90 days after your year-end. The software will automatically populate this date in the filing due date box, aligning with your taxation year-end. Moving on, it is time to select the type of trust. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will be choosing Testamentary, Graduated Rate Estate. If you are uncertain about the various types of trusts available, there is a helpful option. Click on the Help icon for guidance and choose the type that aligns with your specific situation. Next, let's fill in essential details related to the deceased person. This includes providing their name, date of death, and social insurance number for accurate identification within the system. Moving ahead, on this page, ensure the province of return is selected. Then, proceed to confirm the trustee identification details, which should match the selection made on the Trust Information page. Following this, complete the address for the mentioned trustee to ensure accurate correspondence and record keeping. When you click Next, you might encounter two error warnings. Address these based on your specific situation. For the question regarding the mailing address being the same as the trustee's address, if it is a match, select Yes. For the inquiry about the trust holding foreign property with a total cost exceeding $100,000 during the tax year, if this isn't the case, select No. Upon clicking Next, you'll arrive at the Income Profile page. For this particular return, we will be reporting income derived from death benefits. To do so, select Other Income and proceed by clicking Next to navigate to the Other Income page. For this demonstration, let's input a death benefit of $2,500 obtained from Box 18 of the T4A P-slip. Once entered, click Next to proceed further. Now, let's ensure all necessary information is provided. From the left navigation bar, expand the Certification section and access Other required information. It's crucial to note that you will need to answer most, if not all, of these questions to prevent encountering errors that could hinder the electronic filing process. Once you've successfully completed the other required information, click Next. On the subsequent page, respond affirmatively to the question, Are you electronically filing the federal tax return? Then proceed by clicking Next. This action will lead you to the tax summary page, offering a concise overview. As in our case, it will indicate that the trust has a total income of $2,500, with a federal tax payable amounting to $375 and a provincial tax payable of $250. Consequently, the total tax payable stands at $625. Upon clicking Next, you will be directed to the Print and File Tax Return page. Here, take a moment to review the necessary steps for the trust return to qualify for electronic submission. Additionally, if you wish to retain a record of the trust return, you can do so by accessing the Download a Printable Copy section. Click on Your Records, and this will enable you to download a PDF copy of the return for safekeeping. And there you have it, an overview of the T3 return process, focusing on a simpler scenario. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into various T3 return scenarios, exploring different situations and providing comprehensive guidance.